Welcome to the captivating world of photosynthesis, the lifeblood of our green planet. Picture this: green plants, algae, and some bacteria performing nature's magic trick, converting sunlight into carbon dioxide and water into oxygen and vital energy. But what if we could replicate this amazing process ourselves, going beyond nature's boundaries? Imagine mimicking this dazzling dance reaction, creating energy packed fuels like hydrogen or solar wonders, all of our own. Let's break it down. Artificial photosynthesis is like turbocharging solar energy. Solar panels convert sunlight into electricity, but here's the hitch. It's fleeting, depending on weather, time, and due to store. On the other hand, we have artificial photosynthesis devices. They not only soak up sunlight but also go further, converting it into fuels. Yes, real fuels, rich in energy such as hydrogen or methanol. Think of it this way: while solar panels provide electricity immediately, artificial photosynthesis generates future ready energy then fuels from the same sunlight. It is a game changer, promising a future where clean, sustainable energy is stored and readily available whenever and wherever needed.
Now in the natural corner meet Photosystem 2 and Photosystem 1, the superheroes of the plant world. Photosystem 2, the light-absorbing champion, steals the spotlight by converting light into chemical energy. Imagine carbon dioxide sneaking into leaves, initiating a pigment party. Chlorophyll, the star, absorbs sunlight and transfers energy to the reaction center.
This energy dance causes chlorophyll to release an electron, starting an incredible electron transport chain, giving us ATP and NADPH, and voila, oxygen. Nature's precious byproduct is born. Enzymes like photosystems and hydrogenases are the unsung heroes here, keeping the show running smoothly.
The photosystem 1 takes over. The dark or light independent reaction in the leaves stroma. This is where water and catalysts team up, using earlier energy to turn carbon dioxide into organic molecules, and the star product, the energy packed glucose.
Imagine you are diving into the exciting realm of artificial photosynthesis. It all starts with capturing light, the energy source. Think of tiny particles called photosensitizers as superheroes absorbing light. But there are choosy eaters, only consuming specific light wavelengths. This limitation means they miss out on half the sunlight reaching Earth. To address this, scientists are actively seeking materials capable of harnessing a broader spectrum of light. While certain materials, such as titanium dioxide, are widely used, they exclusively absorb ultraviolet light. Silicon, on the other hand, has the capacity to absorb a wider spectrum of light and is both abundant and cost effective. However, the pursuit doesn't hold there. Researchers are exploring additional materials like zinc oxide, iron oxide, and others to enhance the array of light absorbing options. Now imagine splitting water into oxygen and hydrogen using a chemical trick called water splitting. This involves tiny wires absorbing light, creating oxygen while shuttling electrons and protons around. It's like an adventure with different parts working together.
But here's the catch: this trick needs energy, about 2.5 volts from sunlight. So scientists call in catalysts like manganese or cobalt oxide to kickstart the process. But finding the perfect catalyst is like searching for treasure. Cobalt oxide is promising, is stable, efficient, and easy to find. Plus, it's being used to create methanol and oxygen from carbon dioxide and sunlight.
Catalysts great at making oxygen might falter at making hydrogen, and vice versa. It's like having two heroes, one excelling at fighting villains and the other at solving puzzles. Scientists are hunting for the best catalyst for each task, exploring compounds with metal like iron, nickel, and copper. Now onto the grand finale, reducing carbon dioxide into useful stuff like methanol or methane, is like recycling CO2 into clean energy. Thus far, it is believed that CO2 interacts with the catalyst initially, forming an adduct through electrostatic interactions, which trigger the excited photosynthesizer to release at least one electron. The electron is transferred to the catalyst, activating the reduction reaction followed by proton coupling. The electron hole in the photosynthesizer is immediately filled by an electron donor, and the process is complete. With this, we need to highlight that molecules teaming up with metals like cobalt or nickel all working together to transfer CO2 into valuable fuels are essential during this process. In the realm of boosting artificial photosynthesis, there are two main structures at play: the photoelectrochemical cell and the photovoltaic coupled electrolyzer. First, the photoelectrochemical cells. A main strand of research in this file consists of two electrodes, a photoanode and a photocathode, in contact with an electrolyte and an external wire when the cell is exposed to light. Solar energy causes excitation in the photoanode, releasing an electron to be donated to a water molecule, thus reducing it to a hydrogen molecule at the photocathode. The electron hole remaining on the photoanode will then immediately be filled by an electron from a water molecule. Now, regarding the photovoltaic coupled electrolyzer, we need to mention that this all starts with the absorption of light and charge separation that is carried out by the photovoltaic cell. Then, the energy potential generated by the cell is applied to an electrolyzer to initiate and drive a redox reaction. In this way, solar radiation is initially converted into electricity, which is then used for the oxidation and reduction of water or CO2 in the electrolyzer cell. Exploring semi-artificial photosynthesis techniques has opened new frontiers in our quest for sustainable energy. Yet, the intricate workings of these systems pose an ongoing challenge. The mystery lies in deciphering how these methods simulate the amazing efficiency of natural photosynthesis. Understanding this intricate interplay of processes, such as light absorption, electron transfer, and catalysis, remains a focal point of all research. The overarching goal is to glean insights from the natural blueprint provided by plants in their energy generation through photosynthesis. In doing so, we aspire to unlock innovative pathways that allow us, as humans, to harness solar energy with the same finesse exhibited by the plant kingdom.